Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joy. Today I will be showing you how you can apply tomato before going to bed. Tomato is very good for skin. When you apply it on your face or on your skin, tomato will help to brighten your skin. It will help to remove sunburn. It will help to fight acne. It will help to remove wrinkles on your face. Tomato will smooth your skin and it will give you a soft and a smooth skin. If you apply tomato before going to bed, when you wake up in the morning, your skin will be so soft and smooth like a baby's skin. So when you apply tomato, it is perfect. You apply the tomato in your face every night before going to bed. You will see amazing result. And also you can eat tomato before going to bed and your skin will look so refreshed and smooth also. So now I'm gonna apply these tomatoes on my face because this is night. I'm about going to sleep, so I'm gonna apply it now and then we'll see the next thing. So guys, I'm about applying the tomato on my face. This is the tomato, so I'm just gonna apply it on my face. You rub it all over your face, but mindful of your eyes. If you put it inside your eyes, it can be very hot. So you keep on applying it like that. If you want to sleep over it, it's okay. If you don't want to sleep over it, you can wait for 20 minutes. Later you wash it off. But me, I'm gonna sleep over it. I'll sleep with the tomato. I'm not gonna wash it off. So in the morning, the tomato will absorb into my skin. My skin will be so soft and smooth. So that is how I normally do. That is how I use my tomato. I don't wash it off. I sleep over it. I apply it and I sleep overnight. So in the morning I just wash my face. So that is all. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are new in this channel, you are most welcome. Also share this video with your friends, with your loved ones and with your family. If you are new in this channel, you are most welcome. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.